If you don't like working 9 to 5 but still want to earn big, then listen up. Here are 7 AI digital product ideas to earn $20,944 a month. Number 1. AI-generated ebooks. Write a book in days using AI and sell it on Amazon. Easy peasy. Number 2. AI art prints. Create stunning artwork with AI and sell them as digital prints. Trendy and profitable. Number 3. AI-powered online courses. Use AI tools to develop and sell courses on platforms like Udemy. Share your knowledge. Number 4. AI chatbots for businesses. Build and sell chatbots to companies looking to improve customer service. High demand. Number 5. AI-enhanced music tracks. Produce music using AI and sell on sites like SoundCloud. Let your tunes go viral. Number 6. AI-driven stock photos. Create high-quality images with AI and sell them on stock photo websites. Snap, upload, profit. Number 7. AI-generated marketing copy. Help businesses with AI-crafted content for their websites and ads. Words that sell. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and watch that passive income roll in.